Greetings guys, Grand Rising, give thanks and praise for another blessed day. Welcome to Western Last Beach. And right here we're displaying the natural fruits. Come on over and enjoy the beach. Yeah! Rastafari. Western Last Beach. This is it. Come on down guys. Rastafari. Yeah. Get some organic plantain, bumpy bananas, pineapple, natural papaya, or real oranges, real coconut, and all this garden seasoning, alright? All organic. Yeah, later we have the natural juice, B1, B2 juice, and the smoothies. Come on, check it out. Western Last Beach. Right across from me yard. One love. Yeah. Set it up nice, you see me? Fresh and clean. Yeah. Invite the people them to Western Last Beach. Right across from me yard.
Yeah, the idiot ball.
Yeah, I got it.